Pipelining is one of the most popular techniques we use today. The great thing about pipelining is it can be done without digging up any floors. Please stay tuned to the end of this video. I will give you two of the most important things not to do if you have an older home with cast iron pipes. Cleaning the cast iron pipes is a very intricate job we do very well. Preparation is key to a good restoration process. Just like a boxing match or a big game, 99% of the work is in preparation. One of the most important things we do is protect the floors, walls, and anything we touch inside customers' homes. Our process starts with a video inspection of the drain that has been affected. When we video the pipes under the house and in the walls, we look through every pipe that we are able to get our camera through. This includes getting up on the roof and going down through each vent stack. After we video the drain, we come up with the best scope of work for the customer to offer the best alternative solution to giving a permanent fix to his problem. After we analyze the video, we make a drawing of your system. Once we have the drawing, we sit down and come up with a scope of work that best fits your needs. We use chains and brushes to lightly scour the inside of that cast iron pipe. And then we use a jetter, which is a pressure washer, to flush out all those pieces that we break off the walls of the pipe. The liner is a sock material that is the length of your pipe. Once it's saturated with epoxy, we inflate it inside the pipe. There are several methods on how we get the liner inside the customer's sewer pipe. One method is with inversion. The other method is with pulling it in place and then inflating it. In this house, we're dealing with cast iron pipe underneath the customer's house. It has cast iron in the walls and under the slab. Not a lot of people know, but any house built before 1975 in this area of Southwest Florida, it typically has cast iron drain pipes. The problems we are finding with cast iron pipes is they are built up with a scaling type debris, and underneath that scaling type debris usually is a crack. The scale that's built up in the cast iron pipe and the cracks that we find add to pollution and unwanted backups. Oftentimes these houses have already been remodeled and the customer wasn't aware that the pipes underneath the house needs to be restored. Before realtors or buyers or sellers sell the home or buy the home, it is very important to make sure you video the sewer pipes in the walls and under the house before you buy or sell. The process of pipelining begins with mixing two parts of epoxy together. One's the base and one's a hardener, and you saturate a sock, just like a piece of felt fabric material. Once the resin is put inside the liner, it can be cured in several different ways. One is with steam, one is with water, one is just with regular air temperature, and one is with LED light technology. Depending on what method you use to cure the resin determines how fast or slow the job will take. After the liner is inflated into place inside the customer's old pipe, we are able to cure that liner with an LED light system. Think of it as when you go to the dentist and the dentist puts in a filling and he uses a blue LED light. The way the dentist hardens your filling is exactly the way that we're able to cure this epoxy inside the pipe. Using the LED technology, we were able to cure 50 feet of the sewer pipe in a little under 30 minutes. From start to finish, depending on the condition of the existing pipe and how much cleaning we have to do, these jobs typically take 3 to 5 days. Thank you to everybody who has watched this whole video, and for that I want to give you 2 pointers of what not to flush down your pipes. One is Charmin branded toilet paper and one is flushable wipes. Flushable wipes and Charmin both go down the toilet and they get caught on that old cast iron debris and create a backup. Think of it as a slow winding river with a bunch of rocks in it. That's the way the cast iron pipe is. So when you flush a big load of Charmin paper or flushable wipes, it doesn't flow nice and freely. It just stops. And then as it stops, you've got one backup after another, and before you know it, you get a clog. And the Charmin is extra thick. And the flushable wipes, even though they say flushable, they're not.